Hello. Okay, so for today, I know because we've been like awkward saying hi. It's just like hi, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna use this palette because I've been using the BFF palette for too long. And yeah, no hice mi cama por okay, so así se ve. Yeah, quiero hacer algo like summery. And as you can see, I haven't used these. I'm probably not even gonna use them, to be honest. Or maybe. Oh, okay, I think I'm gonna do like a blue arriba and then like yellow. That's kind of my vision. So let's see if I can actually make this work. Should I just start going? Okay, I'm still gonna take this, like the brown color as my transition, and I don't know what to talk about. Like, no sé de qué hablar today. I'm kind of like bored, to be honest. I haven't really filmed that much, and I really don't know what to film. Like, I want to film a 15-minute makeup video, like doing my makeup in 15 minutes, like everything, but I need a timer. Oh, I should have used like the kitchen timer, huh? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try and film twice a week, like I said. Yeah, I'm trying to film twice a week. A ver cómo me va, because I am very not good at that, I guess. You think, should I use, okay, splash, huh? I've never used this one, as you could tell. Look, la star todavía está bien implementada. I don't know, but I grabbed some. Oh, this is a cute color. What the heck? So yeah, I see a lot of decluttering videos. Well, I don't even know. That's the thing. No sé qué onda. Well, kind of, because I'm a little chismosa. But yeah, and then they get rid of them. I'm like, honey, if I like the makeup, I'm still gonna keep it. But yeah, oh, I got 20 subscribers. Okay, can't tell if someone's gonna subscribe by then, like by when I post this video, but I got 20 subscribers, and I'm like, yay, that's so cute, so exciting. Because I did say I wanted to, like, I'll be okay with 20 subscribers. Now 21. No, I'm just kidding. I'm like okay with it, because you have to start off somehow slow, you know. Oh, I'm talking way too much. Okay, como siempre, you know. So I think I like how it looks así nomás. It's very, oh, kind of reminds me of the Jenny 69 look, but she did this one and I did this one. I recreated it one time in Mexico. So hello, I'm gonna take Divine. I never really do like silver shadow, casi siempre es, what's it called, siempre es más like goldy, champagne shimmery, but not no silver. Oh, this looks so cute. Okay, so I recently went to Colorado. It was my first time on an airplane. Oh my god, I had so much fun. So I don't want to make the video too short, but tampoco too long. But I'm just showing y'all me cream contouring, I guess. Like, this is the blush I use. It's called the Ciate London Dewy blush. And it's like a kind of like jelly, well, glossy. Yeah, it says glossy cheek tint, and it does feel like glossy, but it feels good. And mine's in papaya, but it feels really good. Where's Coco? Coco? I don't know, he's somewhere out here. Moshi. But yeah, I don't want to make this too short nor too long. Oh, look at my clip. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's essentially like this. I got it at Marshall's. It's a 3-pack for $4.99. And then this I got it at Target, and just this one, it's really big, but just this one is $4.99. I don't know which one I like more, but yeah, they're both good. But I got these like waiting, like in line, you know, where they put everything to get you. So I'm just cream contouring, and I honestly, I don't know why, like, I don't know, it's the video is kind of all over the place. I guess like I just want to film, but I don't know exactly what. So that's why for right now, this video, like, I really want to film a summer look. I just didn't think it through because I just got out the shower and I was like, I want to film. So that's what we're doing. Like I said, I wanted to put more stuff out for y'all. Let my 20 subscribers get. Yeah. Just give me 20 subscribers. But yeah, I just want to put more stuff out there. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm going at with. Oh, hi, Moshis. Hi. Say hi. Okay. So I'm just filming this like really fast, as you could tell. Like very chill, a chill makeup tutorial. But not even tutorials. It's just like get ready with me. Like trying to find my summer look. Look at that. Ooh, that's so satisfying. And I am gonna plan, I have like a mukbang I want to do. I want to do like a 15-minute makeup tutorial, then a 10, and then a 5-minute. Then I want to do like my skincare routine, which is still in the works because I've actually gotten quite a few, like, I guess acne, which is now considered adult acne. So I've gotten that recently. Like, it all started when I was freaking working that job. When I was working 7-Eleven, I got acne. Like, what? And I had acne when I was little. Well, not really, like only poquito. So I guess like a little bit of acne. I had a little bit. And I remember I do not enjoy acne. So it's come again. And I don't know. I'm still working on it. So in conclusion, this video is all over the place. Y ya me voy a hacer the yellowness. But look, I fixed up the eyeshadow. Like I said, I only use 3 colors. I normally use 3 colors. But yeah. Also, my attention span is not that good. I lose attention really fast. I need to buy a new concealer. But yeah, like I was saying, as you could tell, my attention span is non-existent, basically. So I'm gonna be done with my face and I'll be back to do my lower lash line. There you go. Okay, so I'm still drying, and yeah, look at that big ass pimple. But I'm still drying. But I'm gonna take this brush just like uno que esté así. Mine has blue. Yeah. I'm gonna put the yellow. This will either make it or break it. So we'll see. Well, I mean, it's not as pigmented. Like, what? Okay. I think I just have to like keep building it up more. Look at that. And I'm having this crazy idea of putting like this eyeliner right here. Like underneath. Not inside my waterline, obviously. But like underneath. Do you see that? What the fuck? So I think I'm just gonna go over with the yellow shadow. So I'm gonna fix it and I'll be right back. Okay. I mean, it's something. Let's see if I can fix it though. I'll be right back to see if I can fix it or not. Okay, so as you can see, my parents are home. And I just finished putting my mascara. Look at that, I got mascara on that. On like the eye and like here by the wing. So yeah, that's mascara. This is how my eyelashes look with my Sky High mascara, the Maybelline. So today I ditched my Too Faced Lip Extreme because I've been looking bien bocona in some of my pictures and videos, and I'm just like, I kind of don't want that look no more. And then it also doesn't help that I like overline my lips, and like I use like a really dark lip liner. So they're just talking about novelas. Hello. The LA girl in cafe. Se llama cafe. So I think I'm just gonna wear a gloss. Let me see. Guess este de Ulta. I wanna use it up. But it's kind of like shimmery. Oh, that's kind of cute, right? Right. So this is how the look looks like. I don't know why the camera's making me look like that. But yeah, look at this summer look, I guess you could say. What the heck is that? Okay, oh, the sun came out. But así se ve. Oh, yes, so cute. I didn't do my makeup how I usually do it. I did kind of like sloppy, I guess. Besides my eyes. So you could kind of tell, but mind your business, right? Why does it look so dark? Okay, whatever. But I kind of like it, huh? I like it. I didn't put on fake lashes today. Just my regular lashes. I know they're kind of like short. They're like short, but full. Wish I had them long. So yeah. Oh, let me show y'all something, because I don't want to make this long, you know. I just don't. So I'm gonna need new mascara. I'm done with that one basically, and concealer too. So, oh, I did say that, huh? I don't know, but I just wanted to say that. I don't know why. Ay, mira, se me ve raro. It's because like the way the setting spray, it still feels like sticky and it never feels like that. This is setting spray, the Jeffree Star one. Got a long time ago and I didn't use it. I mean, I used it before, so I know it works good. And then I got a second one because I finished it. Or this is my third one, I don't know. And I didn't use it, so now I'm using it because I don't have another setting spray. But it's good, like it makes your makeup last. But they don't sell it no more. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it off because I'm gonna go to the gym. Gym life. Oh, I should do a day in my life, huh? Or a week in my life. I don't know. Okay, I'm just rambling at this point. So I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm hungry. And I want McDonald's, Cane's, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, Whataburger, Starbucks. What is wrong with me? Literally. I really don't know what this video is about. Sorry. I'm just all over the place. We want a nose job. Look. You see that little bump? Yeah. But I don't know. It's just like a random ass video. I don't know how I feel about it, but I don't know. Okay. Bye. I'll come back if I have anything else to add on because I know I did, but I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, it's because I'm bored. Like, I guess I'm just bored because I use the same products every time I do my makeup. Squeeze me. But yeah, I use the same products every time I do my makeup. So I need to buy new stuff, I guess, so I can get entertained. I usually have only like one of everything. Well, not really, but yes, really. Okay, bye, because they're putting more volume on this novela than me. Then you could probably hear me. Okay, bye.